Good evening, everybody, and welcome to episode 1 of my YouTube channel. We'll see how this develops as things progress, but at least off the bat, this is going to be all things personal and professional growth. So, a little bit about myself. My name is Josh Korzan. I'm a Marine Corps veteran. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Business with a double major in Supply Chain Management and Management from the Kelley School of Business at Indiana University. I'm also an incoming medical student starting in 2022, so technically the class of 2026. I do have a couple acceptances there, although I'm still interviewing, so I'm not entirely sure where I'll be attending yet. I will keep the channel updated on that front in the event that anybody is interested. A little on the motivation behind this channel. I'm a huge advocate of personal growth. I think that having a growth mindset is one of the greatest tools that you can have in order to facilitate your success. So I'm always trying to improve myself as a human being and always appreciate the opportunity to help others do the same. So in short, this channel is my attempt to really accomplish both of those things. One reason, in fact, that I started this is to continue to develop my communication skills. And I do hope that some of you in the future, if I ever have any followers, can take some of the something away from these videos to help improve yourself as well. So you know what to look for in the future. I will be talking about topics that are of personal interest to me. However, I am very open to suggestions. So if you have any requests, please comment below. Or you can find me on social media and shoot me a message there. On Instagram, it's Josh_Korzan, Korzan. And please like and share. Thanks for listening or watching, and have a good night. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.